So the Ethereum ecosystem has been performing super well, especially these past few days. I think it has to do with the recent announcement I covered in yesterday's video, but there's an even better way that I think you all can benefit from the future price of Ethereum. I'm gonna get into that today. If you guys are enjoying these videos, please hit the like button, hit subscribe, and check out the CT Club down below. We're always talking about it. Just check out that link. Okay, so what I'm talking about is one of the better performing coins this past week was Lido DAO. LDO is the acronym, and or the abbreviation, and that one has pumped like 150%. So what is LDO? It is the DAO, Decentralized Autonomous Organization, that is behind one of the largest staking operations for Ethereum. Lido is responsible for about 1/3 of all Ethereum that is being staked, which currently the whole amount of Ethereum staked is about $15 billion worth of Ethereum. That's a chunk of change. So basically, Lido works as a, like you stake with Lido, they assign your coins to different staking pools. So it's a more decentralized way to stake your Ethereum, much better than on a centralized exchange, for example, because we don't want those guys running Ethereum. No, no, no. We want decentralization as much as we can. So there's been some FUD about staked Ethereum about a month ago now, how there's a lack of liquidity, because how it works is when you stake Ethereum on Lido, you are given back STETH, or staked Ethereum token. And basically it's a liquidity token, and it's not supposed to be one-to-one to Ethereum on the secondary markets, but it is. You will be able to redeem one STETH for one Ethereum when the time of the merge is fully complete. So because STETH has actually been trading at a deficit compared to Ethereum, and with all of the hyper paranoia happening with people in the crypto space after especially UST depeg, they see this depeg of STETH and Ethereum and thinking it's gonna like take down Lido or take down Ethereum, which it's not. It really has nothing to do with that. But what it does do is it presents an opportunity for people to see STETH. If you are able to redeem it one-to-one for Ethereum, and right now it's trading at a deficit, that could be a very good arbitrage opportunity if, this is a big if, Ethereum performs well after the merge. A lot of people are buying the rumor right now. We saw what happened when yesterday the developer on July 17th, he came out with a specific date, September 19th. The merge will be complete. A huge spike in Ethereum. In fact, that there were so many shorts on Ethereum, that bit of news caused about $150 million in liquidations. So there's a lot of people buying the rumor right now. Will they sell the news when it actually comes out? But if you are a long-term holder of Ethereum and you are okay with, you know, again, being a long-term holder of Ethereum, you could definitely see this STETH arbitrage opportunity as a way to accumulate more Ethereum without spending more fiat. So it's an idea. Check it out for yourself. Decide for yourself what you're going to do with your crypto. This is not financial advice, all for entertainment and educational purposes only. Thank you, everyone, for tuning in. Again, my name is Heidi, and this is Crypto Tips. I'll see you soon. Hit like and subscribe. Bye, guys.